Myntri ketenat social welfare Bah Paul Lyngdoh nekas Nyngkong ula aiti yakasang jingiarap bapalat khatsan lak tingka syaka Mawlai Town Dorbar na bynta ban la atai pendep yaka center keban ai jing sumar bat jingia sedlok yaki samla ki blangop how drugs. Bah Paul ula aiti ki kot kisla jong kanika song pisa kebakot palat khatsan lak tingka show president ke Mawlai Town Dorbar uba herlambok war haka jingiran ringkat kinang ilam ke Mawlai Town Dorbar bat ki he officer sarkar haka jingilang ke bola pynlong nekas Nyngkong haka office trekam jong ha secretariat. Habakran haka jingilang Bah Paul ula ong bakani ka song tingka ka diga jing ai haka wat ka baar ya ka Mawlai Town Dorbar bakan yo bante pendep ya ka center. Uba Marco Myntri secretary jong ka Mawlai Town Dorbar ula ong baminshwa ki Dorbar ki iakhun ya ka kiat ndai mintagin hapan ya kunting ya Drok ubari unong shun uba bamdo ki khenna bat ki samla. Ula ong baka Mawlai Town Dorbar kan buru ya ka counseling center ka bashirta ha Mawlai petrol pump. Ula ai khuble ya ka sarkar jilla yo Myntri rangba ka jilla ukon rat ki sangma Myntri sarkar Bah Paul Lyngdoh halor ka jingiarap ya ka Mawlai Town Dorbar bat kershan ha ka jingiarkun pyrshah yo drugs. Laban kedua hang ni baka Mawlai Town Dorbar klayo ka pisah ka bah riu lak tingka ha ka wat ka Nyngkong bat ha ka wat ka baar klayo pedang sakhatsan lak tingka ling baka dream mission.
Bat kinang ilam jong ka Mawlai Town Dorbar ha ka ba nalo jong ka jinga selok jinga peliu jimut bat ki gelap light show ya kan ni ka second installment jong ka jingkyrni ka bapai khatsan lak tam sya ka Mawlai Town Dorbar panyarap yaki hakaba ki ladap sedam men ha kasin ke Nyngkong layarap yaki ndulap antara kasin la as khatsan lak tam bat kejing yarap kalong ban pyrshah ya kejing iakhun joki pyrshah ya drugs kawai ke baglala ban le kalong ba hadu lai pho mut ki nong shong shnong ki balangop ha ka jasi jong jingkyrni drugs ki la yo ya ka counseling bat ha ka ni ka counseling ka balane ndru benai bynta ngila penbiang yaki kerjaan ya ka
institution. In fact, the last bastion of our tribal tradition. So long, Dorbar have not realized that Drok has become a menace because somehow Drok is still surging upon the town of Shillong. It has not really reached to the periphery of the city. But gradually we understand, we know, we've heard stories from other Rangbashnongs, even from the rural areas, that drug addiction has reached even the remote corners of the state. Which means that we cannot be complacent anymore. And I feel that the role of the Rangbashnong, the role of the Dorbashnong rather, is very, very crucial because one thing, the people who are addicted are always part of the family, which is located in the Shnong, and they are always under the control of the Dorbar Shnong, within the ambit of the Dorbar Shnong. So invariably, he may be an addict staying anywhere, but he eventually has to come back to his own home. Where his home is located? It's located within the boundaries of the Dorbar Shnong.